Hello, this is Dr. Adam Kopsky from Advanced Rehab and Medical, and I'm doing a part 2 of our two-part series here on the topic we had last week, which was the motor vehicle accident posture, and does the posture matter before we get in the collision or after. And so one thing I actually did here was brought a case study in of a patient we had, and so if you bring the camera a little closer, I just wanted to show you the good changes we actually had here. So we actually had a young female in her 20s, and this right here was her pre, and then here was her post x-ray just at a month's difference. And so one thing when she came in, she was in a collision where she had severe inflammation on the right side of her neck and couldn't even hold her head up straight. And so one thing is that actually what happens if this is never corrected, then this is how adhesions and scar tissue gets built up. So it's real important, at least in her case, to where we were able to get our best in just a month time to get her posture back straight. And so it allows her to live her normal life with a lot of less scar tissue that can build up, and she can function her daily routine very normally. And so in this picture down here was actually from the side view, and if you remember me telling you guys about it, was the neck posture. And so I'm going to scroll down here just a little bit, and you can see before how the head and the curve has actually been reduced. And now while we didn't get that near perfect, like I expected just in a month's time, we actually were able to induce where a kyphotic curve was actually coming back in to get a lot straighter. Now this, of course, with home rehab would take a lot more work to get it better, but just phenomenal results we actually see, and that this posture does matter, especially when you're young and in your 20s. You don't want this to escalate to get worse, and you're having really debilitating signs and symptoms at a young age. And so I hope this was helpful. If you have any questions, comment in the video below. I'd love to discuss more. I hope you guys have a great week.